Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to set up a Vanguard S&P 500 index fund. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of investing in one of the most popular and widely followed stock market indexes in the world. First, it is essential to understand what the S&P 500 index is. The S&P 500 index is a stock market index that represents the market value of 500 large publicly traded companies in the United States. It is widely considered to be a leading indicator of the overall health of the U.S. stock market. To set up a Vanguard S&P 500 index fund, you will need to open a brokerage account with Vanguard. Vanguard is a well-established and reputable investment company that offers a range of low-cost index funds, including the Vanguard 500 Index Fund. You can open a brokerage account online or by mail, and you will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. The minimum investment requirement for the Vanguard 500 Index Fund is typically $3,000. But this can vary depending on the type of account you open. Next, you will need to navigate to the Vanguard website and log into your account. From there, you can search for the Vanguard 500 Index Fund and click on the Trade button to initiate a purchase. You will need to specify the amount of money you want to invest and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand the fees associated with the Vanguard 500 Index Fund. The expense ratio for this fund is currently 0.04%, which means that for every $1,000 you invest, you will pay 40 cents in fees per year. This is a relatively low fee compared to other investment products, and it is one of the reasons why index funds are so popular. In addition to the expense ratio, you should also be aware of any other fees that may apply, such as trading fees or account maintenance fees. However, Vanguard is known for its low-cost approach to investing, and many of its accounts do not have these types of fees. Finally, it is crucial to have a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market. The S&P 500 index has historically provided strong returns over the long term, but it can be volatile in the short term. It is essential to resist the temptation to buy and sell based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead focus on your long-term investment goals. In conclusion, setting up a Vanguard S&P 500 index fund is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed online or by mail. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and fees associated with this investment product, you can take the first step towards building a diversified and low-cost investment portfolio. Remember to always have a long-term perspective and to avoid making emotional investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations.